Right. So let's talk about RNA. ठीक है. So we know that RNA is a nucleic acid and a polymer of nucleotides, just like DNA, but it is similar to a single strand of DNA. DNA हमें पता है double helical होता है. It's double stranded. RNA is single stranded. And the difference between RNA and DNA lies in the sugar ribose present in the backbone of its structure. DNA में जो राइबोज शुगर होती है वो डी राइबोज नहीं, वो डी ऑक्सी राइबोज होती है, उसके 2' कार्बन पे एक हाइड्रोजन ग्रुप होता है. मीन वाइल आरएनए में जो राइबोज शुगर होती है उसके 2' कार्बन पे देयर इज अ हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप दैट इज प्रेजेंट, राइट. So, another difference in the presence is the presence of uracil instead of thymine, and also the fact that RNA is mostly single-stranded. So we have three differences. एक तो RNA is single-stranded, दूसरा RNA has a hydroxyl group on the 2' carbon, and तीसरा it uses uracil instead of thymine. And RNA is present in the nucleolus, ribosome, cytosol, and in small amounts in other parts of the cell. And it is synthesized by DNA in a process known as transcription. अब देर आर थ्री मेन टाइप्स ऑफ RNA. एक आपके पास आ जाता है मैसेंजर RNA, which is responsible for the encoding of gene messages which are to be read by ribosomes for protein production. Then there is transfer RNA, which is responsible for the transport of amino acids during translation and hence named transfer RNA या tRNA. And they have a complex 3D structure, and tRNA, unlike mRNA, does not encode any proteins but help build proteins by binding to amino acids. वो भी हम आगे जाके देखेंगे. And then there is rRNA, a ribosomal RNA, which is present in the ribosomes and plays a part in the process of translation.